sauce is ready. I'm doing my happy dance. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cassie. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button right now and join the family. It's all fun here, healthy food recipes, meal prepping ideas, everything that would actually make you eat healthy and stay committed to eating healthy. In today's video, we're going to be making a very simple sauce. You all know that I love anything that is simple to make, that wouldn't make you spend so much time in the kitchen, and of course using simple ingredients that you can get anywhere. So I'm going to be showing you the basic ingredients that you need for this recipe. We are making some chicken wings sauce with a twist. The first thing we have is our chicken wings. You can decide to use any part of chicken that you want, but for this particular recipe, we are using chicken wings. For our vegetables, we have some carrots, 4 pieces of carrots, like small size. I'm also going to use about 2 fresh tomatoes. I have some bell peppers, green and red, and we have 1 medium-sized onions. Well, this is large to you, but I think this is medium size. Then we have some spring onions, and we are going to be using this yellow curry paste from ROD Foods. I really love this curry paste. You can use it for anything. You can use it for your stews, for your sauces. I'm going to link this in the description box so you can also get yours and try it out. So I have my homemade parsley garlic paste. I won't really call this a paste because it's not like a paste. You just blend this in your food processor or blender and you use it for anything that you want. I've been using this for most of my recipes and it's been very good. It's very nice to season or marinate your chicken, your fish, your beef. So these are the basic ingredients. I'm also going to be showing you some of the spices that we would use for this recipe. Hit that subscribe button to get started right now because here you're going to enjoy this channel, okay? So first things first, we are going to slice any vegetable that we have. This is one trick that I use. And remember, meal prepping is very nice. So let's say you have all this meal prepped already. You can make this sauce in less than 15 minutes, trust me. But for the purpose of this video, we are going to slice our vegetables. So I'm going to show you exactly how I will do that. For the green pepper, the fresh tomato and carrots, we're going to be blending these 3. So that is the twist that I'm bringing to you, and you're going to love this. So let's get started. So we're starting off with slicing our onions. Onions is washed, and now we're going to slice this. You can choose to slice this anyhow that you want. Onions is sliced. Now we move on to our spring onions. I'm just going to take off the roots. A simple trick for you to grow back your spring onions, just dip this into a cup of water that is water filled and place this into that water and it would grow out by itself. This is a trick for you to use. To blend the bell peppers, the tomatoes and the carrots together. So what I want to do is to cut up our carrots into smaller chunks so that it would be easy for the blending process. So just cut it up this way. Next is our fresh tomatoes. But I'm using the red and the green today. Also going to add 2 Scotch bonnet peppers into this. Now we are done with slicing everything vegetable. It's time for us to make our meal. In a blender, you're going to add your vegetables, the green bell pepper, the red bell pepper, and the Scotch bonnet pepper, some fresh tomatoes. I'm not going to use everything because I'll be using some for another meal. And we're going to add our carrots, which is like the secret ingredient in this recipe. A little bit of water. And this is what it looks like after blending. So now it's time for us to make our sauce. And I'm just going to be telling you a little bit about my new cookware from Karoti. Now listen, this cookware is so nice. It comes in a set of 4 and also some kitchen spoons. I really love the packaging of this new cookware set. It's really light and it is so beautiful. I mean, just take a look at the color. It is from Karoti. I just got mine and it's really lovely. I've also linked it in the description box if you want to check it out. You can also order yours from Amazon because I got mine from Amazon and you can get it. If you know Karoti products, then you know that their pots are really durable and they last very well. Just take a look at the inside of this pot. It's so beautiful. I mean, if you have this kind of pot, why wouldn't you want to cook your meals? So let's go straight into the recipe. The first thing we are going to do is to, of course, open our pots because you cannot cook without opening your pots. We're going to add some olive oil into the pot. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt into the pan. We're going to add some of the onions and a tablespoon of the garlic, parsley. Then you're going to stir this. Now you're going to put in the chicken wings. So the idea is that the chicken wings is going to cook with the flavor that comes from the parsley, garlic paste and the steamed onions. I'm going to add some spices. I have some ginger powder, some cayenne pepper. All these spices will be in the description box. I'm adding about a teaspoon of each spice, chili powder, some nutmeg powder, some thyme, and of course some seasoning powder as well. I also added some curry powder. Stir this up together and we're going to allow this to steam or cook slightly for about 10 minutes. And I'm also going to add some paprika for some color as well. Cover that and allow that to cook, and after some time this is what you get. This has really steamed well and you're going to turn everything over. I didn't add any water if you've noticed. I'm going to add our curry paste from RID Foods and I'm going to add about half tablespoon into that so that it can be very easy to permeate into the meal. So mix everything up together and our chicken wings is looking very good. Because chicken wings doesn't cook for too long, we're going to pour in our blended vegetables right now. So pour in that carrot mix, bell pepper. So this is going to cook with the chicken in here. Some of our onions in here. I'm going to drizzle some more oil in here. Adding some coriander just for some little spiciness. And we're going to cover this to cook properly. Now while that is cooking, you can decide to boil some rice, some pasta, or some potatoes to have with this lovely sauce. Please do not allow this sauce pass you by. This is one recipe that you should try. After about 7 minutes, you're going to open your pot and stir. Oh my god, this is so good. Guys, can you see that? Can you see the sauce is coming together? So our sauce is ready. Just taking a look at it, you know that it is ready. Guys, take a look at this sauce. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is really good. I want you to take note of the amount of oil that we used in this sauce. You can see that it was really minimal and the sauce still came out so nice and very tasty. Our chicken is well cooked, as you can see. Now we're going to add some finishing touches And we're going to touch some finishing. We're still going to do something at the end. We're going to add our spring onions. Just for some garnishing, and of course that lovely spring onions flavor. Because I love onions a lot, I am still going to add some more onions to this. Yes, and our sauce is ready. This looks so good. Our sauce is ready. I'm doing my happy dance. Yeah. Tell me in the comments, what do you think about the sauce? Tell me. I want to know what you think. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. Our sauce is ready.